Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Jenni AI. So guys, Jenni AI is best for academic writing. So first thing that you will do is go to Jenni.ai and just simply click on start writing. It's free over here. And now from here, just simply sign in into an account, or you can just simply continue with Google over here and just simply sign in into your Google. And now from here, guys, as you can see, it will ask you what is your level of study. So from here, you can go for PhD, master's, or undergrad. So I'm going to go for undergrad and click on continue. And from here, what are you writing today? So just simply provide a prompt. So let's say I'm gonna go for an essay on the history of video games. So from here, just simply include much important words. But for this video, I'm just gonna make it simple. I'm just gonna do this. And from here, you can have an outline. So you can have standard headings or creative headings. So let's say I'm gonna go for creative headings over here and click on start writing. And Jenni AI will do the work for you and just simply wait for it to load up. And as you can see from here, guys, you will have here multiple outlines or multiple topics to cover. And now from here, as you can see, it is suggesting us that in this specific topic, we should be able to see here the suggested description. And now if you want to try again, you can just simply click on over here to change the description, and now it will change, as you can see. And let's say I'm gonna go for accept. And what's great about this, guys, is as you can see, it has a reference. So from here, automatically the information have a reference, so you won't have any problem. And that's why this is best for academic, because you won't have any problem on what or where is the source of this one. And from here, you can just simply keep on going for accept until you are satisfied. And when you go to the other topic as well, it will be the same thing, guys. And now another option that you have is just simply go to the settings over here, or the gear icon. And from here, you will have multiple options as the language, autocomplete, show auto buttons, and you can have the citation style as well. So this will be very important. So you will have here multiple options. You can go for Harvard, Chicago, and the others. And as you can see, you can turn off the auto cite and the auto cite from library. Now, guys, when you go to the three lines over here on the top left corner of the screen, you can go for library over here, which you can upload sources from your computer. So you will have sources over here. And now you can go for AI chat as well, where you can ask the Jenni AI for some question, and it will explain some concept for you and help you brainstorm. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.